Hi guys, it's Jackie from the basement. Happy with a twist acrylic pours plus. It is a early Sunday morning, a little after 12 Eastern Standard Time. And when I was talking honey buns, I put some paints together in one of those flimsy cups. In there I put Amsterdam Titanium White, Apple Barrel True Navy, Phthalo Green by Artist Loft, Folk Art Color Shift Emerald Flash, and what just fell? Oh, okay. Never mind. Yes, I'm going to clean this up someday. I am. Okay. And then Deco Art Metallic Sapphire Blue. And I believe I put some of the light blue in there. Now I cannot find it. These are the colors that are in here. We're doing a 10 by 10 because I thought I was running out of 12 by 12s. I looked and whoops, there's some 12 by 12s. Awesome. We're still going to go with this though. I was going to do a marble roll, but I can't find my marbles. Nope. Sure can't, not in this mess over here. So we're just going to do a regular old ribbon pour. How does that sound? You know what? I'm going to put a little bit more into here. I'm going to put some more navy into it. No, we're going to put some of the metallic sapphire blue. I think the other one I put in there was Sky Blue Topaz by Deco Art. Now I'm just really squishing them down in there. Let's see what we can come up with. Alrighty. Ribbon pour, and here we go. I think these will make a very, very nice combination of colors. Couldn't find the word. What else is new? You know me, I gotta put those little strings in there. Of course I do. Now I wish I had a dang marble. Alright. Are we going to need any extra white? We may. And this one seems to be... Okay, there we go. Going to use the regular white, the Artist Loft. If I can get it open. Oh, we can. Yay. Okay. Just going to add some extender here. Boop, boop. There we go. Whoa. It was coming out. I didn't notice it. Maybe if you're like me, like to the heat, this may be a cool picture. Cool us off some. And yes, I have gloves on tonight. Oh dear. Okay. Yeah, marble would have been nice on here, wouldn't it? I've got to clean this desk off. The station, I do. Not a whole lot of, but things will change. This should be level pretty much. Get these corners here. Okay. Slip off these gloves. And then we're going to put the torch to it to see if we can get any pretty cells. It looks like there's a cell starting here in this corner. Hopefully you can see it. I'm trying to get my camera at a better angle. Alrighty. We're going to torch. Nothing around here is too flammable. not going to get any sales, dang it. I'll tell you if I knew where my oil was, not oil, but silicone. Dang it, something just fell. It's all good. Okay, do we have our seat belts and helmets on? I certainly hope we do. There's a little bit of stuff coming up there. Just a wee bit. Now I'm questioning, was that really Amsterdam titanium white? I am not too certain, guys. Not too certain. Well, something over here. Okay. All right, let's bring it down. Here we go. Sorry, it's a short one, guys, but yeah, better than nothing, right? Okay. And here is a corner. Oh, I just heard something move. We had some wicked rain yesterday while I was working, and the thunder sounded so good with my headphones on. I'm not fond of thunderstorms, but it's like, oh, I like this. Princess, of course, went underneath the bed. Yup. And then under the dresser. There is really something moving down here, guys. Dang. Okay. Alrighty. Okay, stop. Please stop moving. Anywho, got a little bit of rain in the basement, a little bit of water, and we had rain again today. I thought, oh crap, I'm going to come down to a basement full of water, but we didn't get any more down here, so very lucky for that. Very lucky. I hope you guys are have a great night. Have a wonderful Sunday, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe. It helps me out. And we're still going to figure out that dang giveaway. We are. And look on my Whatnot site on my page. I have some up for sale. I'll be putting more up. I've been trying to liquidate my beads, though, so that's kind of like the now thing. Okay, there's some coming up. Ooh, those are cool. Wow, that's neat. Okay, guys. We'll see you next time on Happy with a Twist, Acrylic Pours Plus. Bye-bye, guys. Have a good night.